Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this game assets, that's exterior over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's add some swift loop over here. So we'll be adding some swift loops. Let's just add some loops over here for this doors and windows. So I'll just go into this. Let's select this and slightly I'll just extrude it a bit inside, slightly just extrude it inside in this way. So this is all going to be very low poly. I'm not going with very high poly models, and if you need it I can slightly just create some doors. So we'll not create the doors, we'll assign some texture. So this is going to be a texture part over here. So as I told you earlier, we're not going with high poly modeling. So let's again go over here and let's take a line over here. So I'll just take a line. Let's create a line over here, drag it till here, and let's go into this. So if you need it, I can slightly just shuffle it a bit inside, rendering, enabling viewport. I'll go into this and I'll reduce its interpolation if needed. So we'll make it very light. So instead of that, I'll just give a rectangle over here. That would be much better. So press shift and drag over here, and so select this, again go into this and let's give attach. I'll slightly just push it in this way. I'll drag it. I'll take a copy of it. I'll shuffle it a bit up, push it over here, push it in this way. Now, so I'll just place it in this way. So convert to poly. So I'll just select the polygons. I'll just slightly push it in this way. We can take multiple copies if needed in this way. That's it. Alright. So once this is done, again I'll go over here. Let's go into file, view image file. I can take some other reference. So we'll be going one by one with all the references over here. So let's take one more reference. So again I'll go into this, and if you need it I can just slightly just increase the size of it. So let's take again a box over here, the overall box. I'll take it, I'll slightly resize it, convert to editable poly. Let's select the polygons. I'll slightly extrude it up, slightly drag it down, and I can go into this, extrude by local normal. I'll just click OK. Now if you see this, again I'll go into this, I'll put some edge loops over here. Let's select this and we can just resize this stuff. So I can just scale this in this way. So once it is done, again I'll leave some space, I'm sorry. Again I'll go over here, make a shape, again take one more swift loop, again take a shape, so this is going to be extended, so I'm going to extend this. So we'll leave some space again in this way. So I'll again resize this. So you need to resize all of this, again resize this, and let's slightly just push it inside in this way. So let's select the polygons. So I can just select the polygons and I can slightly just extrude it inside, or else I can just put one small loop at the bottom. So put one small loop and let's extrude it a bit inside. So before we do this extrusion, we also need to put one more loop over here. So again I'll go over here, select the vertices, slightly just push this up, and now select this polygons and extrude it a bit inside. We can extrude it more inside, extrude it, slightly, extrude it more and more inside, and slightly I'll extrude it, not much but a bit. That's it. So once it is done, again I'll go over here, let's take a line and I'll just create a shape in this way. So I'll go into this, and if you want you can slightly increase the interpolation, not much. Just drag it over here, increase its size, reduce its width, convert to poly, drag it till here. This looks better. We can just drag it a bit inside. Again I'll take a line tool and I'll put one line tool, put one shape over here, and let's go into this. So I can just reduce the length and the width of it, and we can just place it over here. I'll just drag it till here. So select this and drag it till here. So I'll just save the file once again. Again I'll go over here. Let's take a box. I'll just drag this up, convert to poly, select the polygons slightly. I'll just push it inside and I'll give some connect over here. Let's click OK, drag it in this way. Slightly just push it in this way. Now again I'll go over here. I can again take a small box over here. I'll just take a box over here and let's make a copy of it. Again I'll drag it in this way over here. Let's again take a box right from the top and let's push it a bit up in this way. Convert to poly. So select this. I'll just attach it and I'll slightly push it up. So once this is done, let's again select this part. Let's select all the polygons over here. I can just drag it up, or else I'll put one loop over here. I'll exclude this part and extrude it in positive axis a bit up over here. So we can even put some stuff over here as well, in this way. So select this, increase its length and width and drag it over here, and let's make a copy of it. So convert to poly, select the vertices, can just drag it down. So convert to poly, select the vertices, drag it in this way. So I'll just save the file. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.